guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I freestyled this super bomb Swarovski set, so just keep watching. I'm going to start with the nude base, and I'm using 112 by Riya's nailz. I'll also include everything I used in the description. So this is one layer. And this is after curing that one layer, and I'm going to go ahead and put one more. And that's the second layer, and I'm going to go ahead and use this color by Valentino Beauty Pure in 036. And I'm going to be using this brush by Nail Prof to do my V-tips, and I'm going to be doing V-tips on the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky. And that is what they look like after being cured. And I'm going to be using Diamond Gel by Valentino to put some of my Swarovskis on. This is my case. I am running super low. Need to re-up on them for sure. And then I'm going to be using these gold charms. I used to sell them, so I don't have a link, but I'm sure you can find them on YouTube. What? I'm sure you can find them on Amazon. And then I'm going to be starting on the index finger. And when I'm putting on Swarovski, I just put enough gel to cover the whole charm so that it's super secure. And then I use this little mini Kiara sky lamp to cure each stone, because I find that this gel is super bomb, but it is a little runny. So if I was to attach all those charms and move on to the next finger without curing them, they'll slip and slide everywhere, and I'll have to go back and make sure they're back in place. So to not have to deal with that, I cure each one so it's stuck. So this set again was a freestyle. I didn't plan it out, so that's why right here I'm just kind of playing around with them. And I'm still working on like my camera angles and zooming in, so I apologize if at any point it's out of focus. I'm still trying to work on that with my camera. That piece I just put on, that like gold triangle piece, I got from Daily Charm. And to help you with dragging the Valentino gel, once I place it on the nail, I turn the whole stand upside down, so instead of the gel dragging onto the actual nail, it kind of falls off. I don't know how to explain it, but if you see me flipping the stand upside down, I'm letting the gel, making sure the gel doesn't fall back onto the nail, if that makes any sense. And then I'm gonna finish them off with some apres top coat. And then I'm gonna cure that for 90 seconds. And this is the finished set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.